the next generation. Oh yeah.
I could go back.
We're gonna be next to the Lamborghinis.
Sure, I know. Right? Okay. Oh, like this?
We could just hold it right here. It's good.
We're playing Jenga with bikes.
Tetris.
Oh yeah, Tetris too. And then
I'll
Jenga.
just go stand.
Let's go down.
Oh, dude.
Okay. Silver Moccasin trail. Super slidey. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, you're good? You good? Okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Oh wow. So slippery and loose. Oh, it's okay. Oh, sorry. I'll pass. Oh, thanks. Nice. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, nice. Love it. Yeah. Oh shit. Man, these rocks keep hitting my chain ring. Oh shit. I know. Very crazy. It's so slippery. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Oh, nice. Great. Sick trail. I would come here again, definitely. My bad. I know.
Come on, baby! Oh, baby, done!
Right? Oh wow. Oh, what the hell?
Whoa!
I know, crazy. I know. Oh, Oh, oh. Okay, coming.
10, go behind.
Oh, whoa. Oh. Yeah. Oh, ah. Dang, Peter.
Let's go on the brake, baby. Let's go on the brake.
I know. Oh, what the hell? My bad. Tight switchbacks. I don't know this trail. Another tight switchback. Oh, a couple more.
Yeah, 8 more behind me.
Okay, coming down still. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Oh, ah. Oh my God. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay.
Come on, baby, get it.
Right? Whoa. Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
8 more behind us.
So technical. So rocky. Oh, another tight switchback. Okay.
Go, George, go.
Almost there. Oh, my bad.
Oh, hi, guys. There's 8 more.
This is a lot like Tunnel Trail and the Cold Springs Trail in Santa Barbara. So rocky and chunky. It's a good feeling. Oh. Ooh, amazing! Ah! You could definitely slide out here really easily. Oh my God. Okay. Tight switchback. Tight switchback.
Go ahead.
Ah, damn. Man, I know. It's crazy. Really tight switchbacks. Yes. Okay, here we are. Oh my God. Wow, so crazy. Oh, shit. Wow, that was a crazy trail. So many tight switchbacks.
Look at the big fire pub. Oh, look, they have 3 fires. The big one, the little one.
You live right there?